gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. So see, I was blessed. I'm glad you know that I need to ask.
And I got Loki right here.
I'm alone, how it feels to rest. When you patient lips still eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know that. See, I was blessed. I'm glad you know that.
Okay, now you got that. You want to create this around the cube. You will have these like two matching, so then you can just use the algorithm for
Just take your breath away. I don't mind if it's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind. Move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race. The minute that my lifetime meets your ways. And then I watch your face pump gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. So see, I was blessed. I'm glad you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till it's time.
And if you do this algorithm, you still mess up really bad with this.
I was blessed. I'm glad you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till it's time. Just take your breath away. I don't mind if it's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind. Move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race. The minute that my lifetime meets your ways. And then I watch your face pump gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. So see, I was blessed. I'm glad you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till it's timeless. I'm so glad to know that. See, I was blessed. I'm glad you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till it's timeless. I'm so glad to know. Just take your breath away. I don't mind if it's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind. Move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race. The minute that my lifetime meets your ways. And then I watch your face pump gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours.